Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove grid bars like these all and we can make it as plain white background. So for that you need to do is click on view and then show, then uncheck grid lines. So this is how you can remove the lines from your entire sheet, and if you want to get it back, go back to the same location and click on grid lines. If you want to remove this option, which is formula bar, also you can go to same option, click on formula bar. So sometimes you want to get a more space, you don't want a formula bar to be on your screen, you can always remove it. But it's good to have formula bar so that you can check like what test is written in the cells or what formula is written, so that it will be useful. It totally depends on you if you want to keep it or if you want to remove it. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much for watching.